The coastal birds have now fallen away. And the powerful pelagic birds have found the ship. Crisscrossing the waves on long pointed wings, these ocean flyers, from the great albatross to the diminutive storm petrels, belong to one great order, Procellariiformes, from the Latin procella, for storm or gale. All members of this large and varied tribe share external nostrils, which extract salt from ocean water, a remarkable evolutionary adaptation that permits them to spend most of their lives at sea. Young wandering albatross may cruise the Southern Ocean for 5 years before returning to their breeding grounds, without once setting a webbed foot on land. Arching down the sky to vanish behind a wave, curving high again like a white cross, it excites cries of wonder. I now belong to a higher cult of mortals, for I have seen the albatross.